everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. This is your maths lecture of grade 3rd, and I am your maths teacher Aparna Pandey from DPS Lamachur. So student, as you all know that we have started our chapter number 14 and its name is Rupees and Paise. The name of our chapter is Rupees and Paise. In this chapter beta, we have done introduction class. We have already taken the basic knowledge related to rupees and paisa, and after that I have also told you that how we can convert the given amount into figures, how we can convert the given amount into words or given amount into figures. This all we have learned in previous class, as well as we have also learned that how we can convert rupees into paisa, and for converting rupees into paisa, what is the most necessary thing that we must know? It is the relation between rupees and paisa. Okay, that is 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. So this all we have done in previous class. In today's class we are going to do a very simple thing that we all know, that is addition. We all know how to do addition. So in today's class we will do addition only, but this addition is related to rupees and paise. So let's start. You can see what I have written here. Addition of money. What I have written here? Addition of money, rupees and paisa I have already written. Now what I will do? I will write amount here. Okay, I will write amount here and then we will do addition. I hope many of you can do by yourself also, but here you have to just you have to pay attention in little things. Either mistake can be happen. Okay, what it is given, suppose it is 75 rupee and 25 paisa. It is 75 rupee 25 paisa. Then another it is 25 rupee and 25 paisa. 25 rupee 25 paisa. Now what we have to do? We have to do addition here. Let's see the next one. What it is? 8 rupee and 50 paisa. 8 rupee 50 paisa, and then it is 17 rupee and the 75 paisa. Okay, we can say paise because when we will say paisa, it will represent singular form. We have to say paise because here we are talking about more than one. Okay, now here also we have to do addition. Now students, you can see that here I have written two addition. Okay, addition of money, and what we have to do here, we have to do addition of rupee and paisa, and in this addition you can see what I have written here. 75 rupee 25 paisa, 25 rupee 25 paisa. How we come to know that it is 75 rupee and this is 25 paisa? Because we have already written, we have already drawn columns here. This is of paisa column, this is of rupee column. As we have done in centimeters and meters, right? And as we have done in what we can say that one kilogram and gram, in the same way we are doing here. So this is our rupee and paisa, right? Now what we have to do? We have to do addition, and we all know that how we can add. It is very simple. How we will do? See, 5 plus 5 will be 10, and you all know 10 whatever we will get 0 and 1 will be carry. 1 will be carry. Then what we will do? Then we will add. 2 plus 2 is 4 and 4 plus 1 is 5. Nothing can carry here. So if in 50 this paise column is over. 50 में हमारा पैसा वाला column over हो गया. Now we have to put this mark because this mark is differentiating between the rupee and the paise. Okay. तो ये हमने क्या किया? 5 plus 5 10, 0, 1 carry, and then what we are getting? 1 is carry here. Then 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 it is 5. Now what about this? Let's solve this one also. 5 plus 5 is 10, 0 and 1. Again carry, then 7 plus 2, 7, 8, 9 and 1, what it is? 10. So what we are getting? What is the answer? Answer is 100 rupee and 50 paisa या 50 पैसे. What answer we are getting? 100 rupee and 50 paise. Okay. So students, in this way we can solve. It is very easy. You all know how to do addition. Nothing is new there. As we used to do addition, in the same manner we have to do this. Okay. Let's solve another one. Now see, this is 8.50 means 8 rupee 50 paise. This is 17 rupee 75 paise. First, what we have to remember is that it is 17 and it is 8. So we must put 0 here. Either we will do mistake at the time of calculation. Okay, so first we have to put 0 here. Either we will make mistake at the time of calculation. Another thing that we have to focus here is this is addition. What we are doing? Addition. And in addition you all know that whether 0 is written upside or downside, it doesn't matter. Simply we can write the number as it is, right? माइनस में तो 0 अगर होता है, तो अगर माइनस में 0 ऊपर होता है तो हमें क्या करना पड़ता है? We have to take carry. But in addition there is not any rule like this. आप सबको पता है addition में 0 we can simply write the number given as it is, right? तो ये क्या है? 50 and this is 75. Now let's add 5 plus 0 means nothing. We have add, the number will remain same. So 5 will be here. Okay. 7 plus 5. Now add 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. What we are getting? 12. So what will be here? That we will put 2 here and the 1 that we are getting will come carry. Kindly focus here. अभी क्या होगा? कई सारे बच्चे हमारे क्या करेंगे? They can do like this. That suppose it is given, suppose it is coming 125 means they can write 125 here. If it is coming 12, so we have to put 2 here and we will put 1 here. Okay? Don't write 1 here only. It will not be like 125. ये 125 नहीं होगा. If it is coming 12, then we have to put 2 here and we will put 1 carry. Then 7 plus 1 8, 8 8 16, 6 and 1 is carry, 1 1 2. What we are getting? 7 and 1 carry 8, 8 plus 8 16, 16 का 6 लिख दिया, 1 is again carry, 1 plus 1 is 2 and what we are getting? 26. So what is the answer? Rupee 26 and 25 paisa. What we are getting? Rupee 26.25. 0.25 means this is 25 paise. 26 rupee 25 paise. So in this way we have to do addition of money. It is very simple. You all know how to do addition and you all know how to do addition of such what we can say, such quantities where it is given from upside gram, milligram, kilogram, meter, centimeter. Nothing is new. It is this, in same way we have to do addition. Okay. So what we are getting? 26 rupee and 25 paisa या पैसे. In the same way we can also do subtraction. Though you all know how to do addition and subtraction, but two I am explaining you here, right? So let's solve another one, subtraction part. I hope now this addition is clear to everyone. So students, we have done addition. Now let's see how to do subtraction related to money. Okay, it is very easy. As you all have done subtraction earlier, it is in the same way. Okay, so no need to worry. Very simple subtraction it is. Only the thing which we have to focus about rupee and paise. So what it is? You can see I have written rupee and paisa. This is 62 rupee 35 paise, 36 rupee 75 paise. Okay, and because we have to do subtraction, so one subtraction mark is here. Let's start. You all know how to do subtraction. It is very easy. See, 5 minus 5 we are getting 0. Now see beta, this is 3 and this is 7 and we have to subtract. For subtraction, one rule I have told you very earlier that we cannot subtract the greater number from smaller one. We cannot subtract the greater number from smaller one. So now what we have to do? We have to borrow 1 from this. So when we will borrow 1 from this will become 13 and this will become 1. जब हम यहाँ से 1 ले लेंगे ये तो हमारा 13 हो जाएगा और ये हमारा क्या हो जाएगा 1. सो लेट्स सब्ट्रैक्ट नाउ. दिस इज 7. आफ्टर 7 काउंट टिल 13. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What we are getting? 6 we are getting. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. So what we are getting? 6. What will come here? 6. Now paisa, we have solved paisa column, so we will put this mark which is differentiating between rupee and paise. Okay. Now this is 1 and this is 6. Again we cannot minus. आप सबको पता है कि हम छोटे नंबर से बड़े नंबर को माइनस नहीं कर सकते. So what it is required now? It is required to take borrow again. So what we will borrow? We will borrow 1 from here and it will become 11 and this will become 5. So this is now 11 and this is 6. Now again minus. It is very easy because now we can subtract 6 from 11. अब तो कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है. हम 6 को तो 11 से माइनस कर सकते हैं. Let's start. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So it is 5. But we are getting it is 5. And this 5 minus 3 will be. अब क्या होगा? ये तो बन गया हमारा 5 क्योंकि इसने यहाँ इसे 1 को बोरो दे दिया था. तो it is 5. Now 5 minus 3. Count 3. After 3 till 5. 3, 4 and 5. But we are getting 2. What we are getting? 2. So what answer we are getting? We are getting rupee 25 and 60 paise. But we are getting rupee 25 and 60 paise. Nothing is new there. As you know how to do subtraction, you have to do that in same manner only. Okay. Now this one. Okay. This one. See what you have to do here. This is paisa side. This is rupee side. 0, 0 simply 0. 0, 0 simply 0. Nothing you have to do. Now subtract from this side. 6 minus 2. It is very easy. You will get 4 and 5 minus 4 you will get 1. And what we answer we are getting? We are getting rupee 14. Paise is not left here, but we are getting complete answer of rupee 14. But we are getting complete answer of rupee 14. Okay. So students, now we have also learned how to do subtraction. Okay. We have to do subtraction as well as addition in the same manner as we used to do earlier. बस हमें क्या ध्यान रखना है? of rupee and paise column and of this mark. जैसे ये कर लेंगे हम ये मार्क पुट कर देंगे, वरना क्या होगा? हमारा नंबर पूरा मिक्स हो जाएगा. If we will not put this mark which is differentiating between rupee and paise, then answer will become 2560, which will be wrong. क्योंकि ये 2560 कहाँ से आ गया? हमने तो सिर्फ 62 रुपये और 35 पैसा लिया था, राइट? और जिसमें से हमें 36 रुपये और 75 पैसा डिडक्ट कर देना था, कम कर देना था. तो थिंक अबाउट दिस कि क्या आंसर 2560 हो सकता है? नो. बट आया तो 2560 ही है. So that's why we have to remember that we have to put this mark which is differentiating between the rupee and paise, right? So students, now in this class we have also learned about addition as well as subtraction, right? Now I think because addition subtraction is very easy, you all can do this. It is not any new concept that you will feel very tough. So let's do one thing more, and that is multiplication. Okay. Okay. So students, now it's time to learn about multiplication related to rupees and paise. Though multiplication, and you all know how to do. We have learned so many times how to do multiplication, but in today's class we will learn something new related to multiplication. First thing is that we are going to do multiplication of rupees and paise, and second thing is that in this rupees and paise multiplication there is one point, that is decimal, that is called decimal. जिस पॉइंट को हम यूज कर रहे हैं फॉर डिफरेंशिएटिंग बिटवीन रुपी एंड पैसे, तो वो पॉइंट जो लगा होता है, वो डेसिमल जो लगा होता है, हाउ वी हैव टू यूज दैट डेसिमल इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन, दिस वी हैव टू लर्न. So this is quite new thing for you, so please focus. Okay, a very easy concept but new one, so please focus. Now you can see this is rupees 6.25 means 6 rupee and 25 paise, and we have to multiply this by 2. First of all, what we will write 6.25. What we will write 6.25. Okay, we can write like this is rupee, this is paisa column. Okay, 6.25 multiplied by 2. Multiplied by 2. Okay. How we will multiply now? This is rupee 6, this is paise 25, and we have to multiply by 2. See बेटा, रुपी और पैसे तो हमने लिख दिए. अगर हम रुपी और पैसे मल्टीप्लिकेशन में नहीं भी लिखते, बट वी हैव टू बी वेरी अटेंटिव फॉर दिस पॉइंट. ये जो पॉइंट है ना, इस पॉइंट को हमें बहुत ध्यान देना है, बिकॉज दिस पॉइंट इज एक्चुअली अ डेसिमल जिसकी वजह से हमारे मल्टीप्लिकेशन के आंसर में बहुत चेंजेस आते हैं. ओके, तो अब देखेंगे क्या करना है. सिंपली इट इज वेरी इजी. सिंपली आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है जैसे हम करते हैं. अभी हमें डेसिमल का कोई ध्यान नहीं देना. डेसिमल का वर्क है, बट एक बार आंसर आ जाएगा उसके बाद वी विल यूज डेसिमल. ओके, उसके बाद हमें ये सीखना है कि वेयर वी विल पुट दिस पॉइंट. बट सबसे पहले आपको जैसे हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं बिल्कुल वैसे ही मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. इस पॉइंट के बारे में अभी नहीं सोचना फर्स्ट स्टेप में. ओके, सो लेट्स मल्टीप्लाई. 2 into 5, 2 5s are 10, 0 and 1 is carry. Then 2 into 2 is 4 and 4 plus 1 is 5. Then this is 2 into 6, 2 6s are 12. Okay, simply what we have, what answer we are getting 1250. हमने क्या करा? Simply multiply करा. 2 5s are 10, 0 and 1 carry. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 and 6 2s are 12. Simply we have written, but this is not complete multiplication. ये हमारा complete multiplication नहीं है. Why? Because in this multiply there is a decimal, और decimal तो हमने रखा ही नहीं. अब आप खुद सोचो, क्या अगर 6.25 मतलब 6 रुपये और 25 पैसे को हम दो बार ऐड करें, तो इसके अकॉर्डिंग तो हमारा 12 रुपये कुछ आना चाहिए, लेकिन ये तो हमारा 1250 आ गया है. इसीलिए मैंने आपसे कहा था that for rupee and पैसे we have to very vigilant about the decimal. हमें डेसिमल के लिए बहुत ध्यान देना पड़ता है, हमें बड़ा ध्यान रखना पड़ता है कि डेसिमल का कहाँ होगा करके. ठीक है, तो अब देखिए बेटा, पहली चीज तो आप समझ गए होंगे. इट इज वेरी इजी दैट यू ऑल हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई. जैसे हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं बिल्कुल सिंपल मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. अब क्या करेंगे? नाउ लेट्स काउंट द नंबर आफ्टर पॉइंट और आफ्टर डेसिमल. आफ्टर डेसिमल कितने नंबर है? 1 2. ध्यान से देखिए बेटा, आफ्टर डेसिमल कितने नंबर है? 1 2. तो जितने नंबर है उतना ही हम अपोजिट काउंट करेंगे. यहाँ से नहीं काउंट करेंगे, यहाँ बैक साइड से काउंट करेंगे, वंस के प्लेस से काउंट करेंगे. यहाँ से हमने काउंट करा पॉइंट के बाद कितने नंबर है? 1 2. अब यहाँ से काउंट करेंगे पॉइंट के बाद, अब उतने ही नंबर के बाद यहाँ पॉइंट लगा देंगे. ओके, हमने यहाँ देखा पॉइंट के बाद कितने नंबर है? 1 2. कितना है? 1 2. तो हम यहाँ भी क्या काउंट करेंगे? 1 and 2 and then we will put point here. Then we will put point here. And what we are getting? 12.50. What we are getting? 12.50 means how many rupees? What is the answer? 12 rupee and 50 paise. 12 rupee and 50 paise. And this is the correct answer. Okay? Very easy. कुछ नहीं किया, सिंपली सबसे पहले हमने मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. राइट, जैसे मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं बिल्कुल वैसे ही मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. देन आफ्टर मल्टीप्लिकेशन क्या करा? जब पूरा मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया तो हमने ये काउंट किया कि डेसिमल के बाद कितने नंबर हैं. डेसिमल के बाद 2 नंबर थे, तो वही हमने यहाँ पे वंस के प्लेस से काउंट कर दिया. वंस टेंस नहीं काउंट करेंगे, सिंपली हम ये काउंट करेंगे कि यहाँ 1 2 नंबर के बाद, यहाँ पॉइंट के बाद 2 नंबर है, तो यहाँ हम 2 नंबर के बाद पॉइंट लगा देंगे. बस, इट इज वेरी सिंपल. I know that this is something new for you, but no need to worry. One more we are going to solve, okay? And it will clear you everything. No need to be worry about this. Let's solve another one. Okay? Suppose it is 23 rupee and 5 paise. 23 rupee 5 paise, and that you have to multiply by 3. Okay, it is like this. क्या दिया है? 23 rupee 5 paise and you have to multiply this by 3. 23 rupee 5 paise and this you have to multiply by 3. Let's do. Very simple. 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. 5 and 1. 3 3s are 9 and 1 10 0 and 1 and 3 2s are 6 and 1 7. सबसे पहले मैंने आपको क्या बोला for multiplication? That we have to only multiply in first step. First step में we don't have to think about the decimal point. We have to just simply multiply. So what it is? 3 5s are 15, 5 and 1, 3 3s are 9 and 1 10 0 and 1, 3 2s are 6 and 1 7. Simple multiplication is over. Now we have to focus where is the point, where is the decimal. Now see, after decimal how many number are there? 1. So from here after 1 number we will put decimal. हम ये देखेंगे डेसिमल के बाद कितने नंबर है उतने ही नंबर के बाद डेसिमल लगा देंगे. यहाँ डेसिमल के बाद 1 नंबर है तो यहाँ हम 1 नंबर के बाद डेसिमल लगा देंगे like this. And what we are getting? We are getting 70.5 means what answer we are getting? We are getting answer rupee 70.5 paise. What we are getting? 70 rupee and 5 paise. So students, I hope that in this class today you have learned how to do addition and subtraction of rupee and paise, as well as today you have learned how to do multiplication of rupee and paise, and one new concept also I have introduced with you, that is of decimal, that how to do multiplication of decimal one. Okay, so I hope that this class will be very helpful for you for learning these new concepts. I hope you all will like this video. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.